What's up, brick builders? Today's build is the Halloween Ghost. This is set number 40013. Year it came out was 2010, age group 6 plus, and it's got a piece count of 18. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Welcome to another build video. Now, this is the start of our Halloween builds, as Halloween is just round the corner. So we've got some really cool builds coming up, but we're going to start from the lowest piece count and build our way up. So this is a piece count of 18, and it was a set that was designed for decor, you know, so like just have it around the house type thing. It was a seasonal exclusive set. So yep, fun features, there are none. There are absolutely no fun features in it at all. But it looks pretty cool. It does look pretty cool. Let's dive in and build it, shall we? As you can see, a very, very basic build indeed, but looks pretty cool, and on both sides you get the same thing. So yeah, nothing overly too special about it, apart from, but that basically you can build it from pretty much most of the stuff that you would have in your Lego collection of spare pieces or whatever. A very, very, very easy build to put together. Very easy. Now I have a Lego ghost. He knows who that is. Who knows who I'm aiming that at? Lego ghost live in the Lego lounge. I can't take that. I can't take that. Anyway, folks, yeah, very, very simple build. As you can see, it's well, it's a fair decent size, but yeah, not really much to say about it apart from it's very basic. Anyway, folks, if you enjoyed the video and you want to see some more content like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share amongst your friends, family, and anybody else you think would be interested in seeing basic Lego builds to more advanced Lego builds. And also, don't forget, put your notifications on to all so that you don't miss a thing like this. I'm Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Peace.